Vivo is set to unveil the X70 Pro, which will be the successor of the X60. The Vivo is launching its new smartphone of its X series. The coming handset is the flagship, which is expected to be launched in September this year. Let's see the specifications of this upcoming Vivo X70 Pro. The smartphone got a chipset of Dimensity 1200V SoC, which is the most powerful chipset. And to give more power to this handset has a 2.8 GHz octa-core processor inside the Vivo's X70 Pro to make the device ultra-fast. And also there is a GPU of Mali G77 under the hood of this smartphone. The display screen size of the smartphone is 6.56 inches, and it will provide the user with Full HD, plus the resolution of 1080 x 2376 pixels. The new Vivo X70 Pro's having an AMOLED capacitive touchscreen display that is the latest one and is well known for its outstanding results. The upcoming new handset X70 Pro by Vivo will be paired with a gigantic RAM capacity of 8GB. The chipset and the RAM capacity of the device show that it will enable the user to execute things with this smartphone within seconds. The internal storage capacity of the Vivo Pro is 128GB. That is enough to store a huge amount of data for future use. On the rear of the smartphone, there is a triple camera setup. The main sensor of the Vivo X70 S Pro will be 50 megapixels, 12 megapixels portrait lens, 12 megapixels wide angle, and an 8MP periscope sensor. The selfie shooter of the phone will be 32 megapixels, to make taking selfies more easy and attractive. The Vivo X70 Pro is having an under-display, optical fingerprint reader to secure the data on the smartphone and only allows the authorized person. The device will be fueled with a non-removable LiPo 4380 mAh battery that will carry support for fast charging of 44W. Samsung and other tech giants will face serious competition when the coming X70 Pros will release.